Now we are going to see activity 2.7. List the items that you are very essential to us. List the items that are very essential to us. Here is, let us understand, they have given advertisement are for sale for the products. You should learn to understand the messages conveyed through them. Many advertisements try to show that a life is a proof quality. So here there are the 10 points. List the items that are very essential to us. Do we really need all of the above items? That means items. Now essential to us items. Okay, write down the names of the products. Okay, and second question is, do we really need all the above items? Do you think these are really needing for us? If it is yes, write yes and write why do you think? Okay, which of the above items, if not purchased, will cause inconvenience to us? Are these products which you have bought harmful to nature in any way? Now all the products whatever we are getting, really they are harmful because they have some chemicals. Okay, they are not natural, but since for the selling, okay, so when they show the ads, they tell us that it is a natural, this thing, that thing. It is not a natural, but for the selling sake they sell it, okay, or they show it. So do you think, next, are these products which you have bought harmful to nature in any way? Okay, same question. Are there any substitutes available for the products that are harmful to nature? If yes, which are those? For example, using household items such as turmeric and milk instead of facial cream. Okay, so you will write it. If it is yes, which are those? Okay, write which are those. Did advertising have an impact on you while buying a product? Which products had the most influence? Okay, did advertising have an impact on you while buying a product? That means when you go to buy some products, do you remember the advertisement, or do you think it is going to be really helpful to you? Which products had the most influence? Which are the products that you have to write? Then we'll move to the next. Here is the news reaching us. We read or hear news through many different channels: newspaper, radio, magazines, weekly newsletters, fortnightlinks, etc. Every channel presents the news based on their political and social agenda. We as readers should analyze news for its authenticity than believing it blindly. We should look at any news objectively and draw right conclusion for them. Here they have shown one example. Okay, there is a ban of plastic ban is a must in Mumbai. Okay, such kind of cities it must be. Given below above are different news reports published in different newspapers. The same topic. Read and make a note below of the differences you found between of each of them. Where there any differences between all these news reports? If yes, what are they? Do you think the differences in presenting the news can have different effect on the readers? That you have to write. Okay, here is some points to understand. Then here is a male image. Okay, now we will see activity 2.8. Given below is a list of things heroes do in a film. Tick the things you have seen and add more which you know about. Smoke cigarette. They smoke, drink alcohol, take drugs. Yes, we have seen. Get into physical fights, try to impress girls, drive cars at high speed, do stunts risking their lives. Okay, if you have seen in the movie, you make it your tick mark it. And here they have given wear expensive clothes fashionable. Yes, sing and dance extremely well. Yes, and other four you have to add which you know. Activity 2.9. What is your idea of a hero? Share your view below. Such as sensitive, kind, like ordinary people. So your view. What is your understanding of a hero or of a idea of a hero? Here are the 9 points. We'll move to the page. Next. Activity 2.10. Read the following ads. KBC bikes for the fearless folks. KLM watches to impress someone in a second. WXY for the little scholars. Munch on BBB Nutribar and get the superpower. List down similar advertisement and you have seen in the media. Replace the brand names with ABC or XYZ alphabet, keeping the remaining text as it is. CCC Waste perfect for the features. Use M&M hair conditioner and be a real head turner. So these kind of sentences you have to write here. Questions. What do the above advertisements suggest? What you think? What could be the effect of those advertisements on the views? Are the things claimed or stated in the ad given above true? Now this is a female image. Now we are going to see a female image. Activity 2.11. Compare the image of a film actress, that is heroine, with your female relatives, teacher or friends. Heroine, sing song, relative or an ordinary woman. Okay, sing songs. Which are the women you know? Okay, at your home or your relatives. Sings, who sings well? Dances, always wears fashionable expensive clothes, gets caught in danger to be saved by the hero, plots against other women as shown in the serial. So here you have to write the names of the people which you know. Next, give self response on. Share your view on the statement film, serial and ads do not portray the women in the right manner. So here are some things to read. We'll move directly to the question answers. Answer the following questions. From all the previous points, what messages do you think is compared through advertisement? What impact do advertisement and serials have on viewers? Advertisement and then serial you have to write. Do you think that the things which are shown in ads are real? Give reason. Write about any two advertisement which you know give true information about a product. Okay, now here is the woman. They have given the picture of a woman. Show below is an image of a woman who we see in the real life. Add your own points that you think are applicable to her. She is strong, capable, self-reliant, dresses up for festival, celebration and wedding. Some you can write brave, beautiful, then strong. Already there is other thing you can write impressive, or you can write courageous. Okay, Next, being beautiful and looking beautiful. Okay, this page I am leaving for you to read. Here there is, which category did you tick, being beautiful or looking beautiful? If you fall into the category of looking beautiful, then do you think, now dear students, being beautiful means it doesn't matter that you are fair or you should be very impressive or very beautiful. Being beautiful means even though you are black, your heart should be clean or your heart should be beautiful. And looking beautiful means you use products and then you look beautiful. Understand both the meanings and then write the answer. If you fall into the category of looking beautiful, then do you think there is a need to change your approach, and how? Okay. Next, traits, qualities of an ideal person. So here they have given the picture of Mother Teresa, and they have given here activity 2.14 4 points they have given. You have to write that ideal person and then traits of characteristic. Okay. Now Mother Teresa was suppose she is an ideal person. What work she has done? She has done a charitable work. Okay. Gandhiji worked for India. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar worked for the rights. Okay. Then one more you can add. Next, impact of media on adolescent's mind and adolescent mind. They have given this. I am leaving you to read. Here is the point: effects of drugs and narcotics. So these are the effects when we drink or when we have drugs will happen. Next, write the emotional effects of addiction on a person: getting angry, fights, okay, misunderstanding in the house, some other things you can add. This is about self-development and self-destruction. Here. Process of being addicted. Trying on addictive substance for fun. Illusion of having self-control over substance use, increasing dependency on addictive substance, brain natural capacity to stay happy goes on reducing, finding it impossible to stay happy without substances, and then finding it impossible to stay happy without substances uses. What would you do in the following situation? A friend impels you to try an addictive substance for fun. What will you do? Your father asks you to exercise daily for a happy and healthy life. You saw some students chewing tobacco in the recess. Your intelligent, sincere friend seems to have distracted from studies. A girl extends the hand of healthy friendship to a boy in the class. These are your personal answers. Then here is insistence from friends to steal money. You write your 4 views. Okay. Then we will move to the last page of this lesson. That is prevention of addiction. They have given the preventions. Okay. Then prepare slogans on de-addiction. Slogan you have to prepare and make a picture of poster and word poster displaying in a social economic, emotional, on the family member of the addicted person. Here there are two. Either you can put a sticker, or you can stick any paper, or any picture which you know about this, or you can draw it. Okay, and this is the last page, evaluation. This I will do it, this you can leave it. Okay, so dear students, understand the media and write properly the answers. Thank you.